Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage inspired cottage home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage inspired cottage home decor is a warm, nostalgic interior style that blends old world charm with cozy lived-in comfort. It takes inspiration from traditional countryside cottages, especially English and European, and mixes antique looking features with soft, welcoming textures. How defines vintage inspired cottage decor? Soft diamond look. Furniture and decor look gently aged, not new or glossy. Used distressed oud, chipped paint, and patina finishes. Pieces often feel like they have a story or history. Use warm and muted color palette: cream, ivory, beige, warm white, pastels, dusty rose, shells cream, powder blue, and lavender. Faded florals and washed out tones are key. Use vintage furniture styles: wooden tables with turned legs, farmhouse dressers and sideboards. Use iron or brass bed frames. Rocking chairs, spindle back chairs. Mix and match furniture. Not a perfect set. Floral and classic patterns. Use floral prints on curtains, cushions, and wallpaper. Use gingham, stripes, tulle, and lace patterns inspired by old countryside homes. Use natural and cozy textiles like linen, cotton, and muslin, crochet blankets, lace table runners, quilts, ruffled pillow covers. Use soft layering for a cozy feel. Antique and vintage accessories. Use old clocks, picture frames, ceramic vases, enamel art, wicker baskets, candlesticks, and lanterns. Use vintage books, teacups, and trays. Use nature-inspired touches like fresh and dried flowers, potted plants, and herbs. Wooden, ceramic, and stone decor. Sunlight is an important element. Comfortable perfection, relaxed, welcoming, and slightly imperfect. Feels lived in, not staged. Emphasis on warmth, memory, and comfort. Where it work best? Living rooms, bedrooms, kitchen, like open shelves and vintage chairs. Sitting corners, small cottages or apartments. Wanting a cozy feel. Overall feeling, vintage inspired cottage decor feels cozy, romantic, peaceful, nostalgic, and timeless. It is perfect if you love old-fashioned charm, soft aesthetics, and homes that feel comforting and soulful rather than modern and minimal. The core philosophy: vintage cottage decor is about emotion and memory, not trends. Every element should feel gently aged, comforting, collected over time, personal and imperfect, instead of buying everything at once. The look is built slowly, like a home that has grown with its owner. Advanced color story: burnt soft pastels. This style uses layered neutrals, warm white, not stark white, and cream, mushroom, oatmeal, stone, muted creams like chaise and olive, soft blues, dark egg, and faded navy. Avoid bold or high contrast colors. Everything should feel softened by time. Furniture styling rules: prefer curves over sharp lines. rounded-edged, turned legs, spindle chairs. Mix oak tones like oak, pine, and walnut. Slight imperfections add authenticity. Pro tips on statement vintage space per room, like dresser, table, or bed. Anchors the space. Textiles and layering very important. Layering creates the cottage feeling. Linen curtains plus lace inner panels. Cotton sofa covers plus floral cushions. Crochet or knitted throws over chairs. Quilts folded at bed foot. Texture matters more than pattern. Lighting for cottage mode. Lighting should be soft and warm, never harsh. Table lamps with fabric shades. Use wall sconces. Candlelight, real or LED. Avoid cool white bulbs. Warm light equal understand winter's atmosphere. Wall treatments. Walls should feel gentle and eased. Use floral or tile wallpaper. Feature wall. Soft paint with slightly chalky finish. Gallery walls with mismatched frames. Botanical prints, landscapes, and maps. Avoid modern abstract touch. Decorative details that matter. Small details complete the look. Use vintage doorknobs, ceramic drawer pulls, open shelves with crockery, linen napkins in baskets, glass jars for storage. Nothing should look factory perfect. Seasonal styling, cottage secrets. Winter's cottage decor changes gently with seasons. Spring is fresh flowers and light florals. For summer, airy linens and open windows. For autumn, warm throws and winter tones. For winter, quilts, candles, and cheaper colors. This keeps the home alive and soulful. Modern life vintage look. You can still be practical. Hide modern appliances. Use baskets for storage. Choose vintage style hardware. Own modern furniture. Keep clutter controlled but cozy. It is about balance, not turning your home into a museum. Common mistakes to avoid: over decorating every surface, too many dark antiques, glossy finishes, matching everything, making it look stays in a state of lived in. Emotional impact. A vintage inspired cottage home feels calm and grounding, warm and nurturing, romantic without being heavy, personal and timeless. It is especially beautiful for people who love handmade items, solo living, story filled interiors, English countryside aesthetics. The soul of vintage cottage style. This decor style is inspired by old countryside homes, where interiors evolved slowly over decades. The goal is to create a space that feels inherited, not bought, softened by time, quietly romantic, comforting, and human. Nothing should feel trendy or brand new. Color depth and egging effect. Colors should feel sun-fitted, like they have aged naturally, with warm chalky whites like linen white and anti-free. Powdery pastels with grey undertones. Odd soft neutrals is clay, sand, and stone. Use botanical greens and muted blues. Technique tips: use matte or chalk finishes to remove modern sharpness. Furniture character and placement. Furniture must feel practical and honest. Simple farmhouse tables use dresser repurposed as storage or vanities. With open shelving instead of cabinets, chairs that don't perfectly match. Visible wood grain and sign of wear and depth. Textiles storytelling. Textiles are emotional anchors. Hand-stitched coils, crochet or lace details, soft floral cotton, natural linen wrinkles are welcome. Layer fabric slowly, never all at once. Walls that feels lived in. Walls should tell stories, use framed handwritten letters or poetry, old botanical illustrations, pressed flowers in glass frames, time-bound mirrors with patina, empty walls spaces for cottage breath. Light, shadow, and mud. Cottage light is gentle and golden. Slumps over ceiling lights, fabric or plaited threads, candles and clusters. Morning sunlight is celebrated. Avoid modern LED glare. Nature as decor. Nature is not decoration. It is part of the home. Just add lavender, wheat, and eucalyptus. Potted herbs in kitchens. Wooden bowls with fruit. Clay and ceramic pots. Plastic plants break the illusion. Stories with beauty. Stories must be visible yet charming. Use wicker baskets, wooden crafts, glass jars, open dressers. Function and beauty coexist. Design physiology. Why this style feels so comforting? For soft colors calm that nervous systems. Natural materials ground emotions. Imperfections feel human. Familiar forms evoke safety and memory. That is why people describe as a tummy or mother-like warmth. How bricks the faintest cottage feel, high gloss surfaces, minimalist emptiness, ultra-modern furniture, harsh white lighting, over-styling for social media. Real cottage homes are imperfect. How to start beginner approach. Paint walls of warm soft white. Add on vintage wood furniture pitch. Layer 2 natural textiles. Introduce flowers or greenery. Replace harsh lighting. Small steps create big change. Overall essence. Vintage-inspired cottage decor is emotional, not fashionable. Soft, not sharp. Collected, not crowded. Comfort first, always. It suited people who love solo living, handmade beauty, and peaceful homes. Design roots and historical influence. Vintage cottage decor is inspired by English countryside cottages, early 19th rural homes, farm and vintage life, handmade traditions. Originally, decor was practical first, decorative second. That practicality is still visible in this style today. Wood and material selection. Wood should feel old and honest. Use pike, oak, and reclaimed wood. Hand carved or charred details. Natural notes and grain visible. Other authentic materials: ceramic and earthenware, wood, iron, brass and aged metals, stone and terracotta, avoid plastic and chrome. Layout collected over time. Look, the space should feel like it evolved naturally. Different series mixed together. heirloom style objects, tufted or flower market finds, handmade checker pages. Nothing should look showroom perfect. Vintage cottage kitchen. Key focus. Signature elements. Open shelving with crockery. Glass jars with grains and spices. Apron fronts or farmhouse sinks. Wooden countertops. Soft floral curtains. Kitchen should feel warm and usable, not slick. Bedrooms, calm and romantic. Bedroom styling includes iron or wooden beds, layered bedding, sheets plus quilts plus straws, floral or strap bedding, bedside tables mismatched. The room should feel like a gentle retreat. Living space comfort first. Living rooms feel intimate with slip-covered sofas, soft armchairs, books everywhere, drawers chopped casually. Furniture is arranged for conversation, not display. Vintage accessories with purpose. Accessories should feel useful with old clocks, trays, teapots, bread boxes, pictures. Purely decorative objects are kept minimal. Floral styling very important. Flowers are essential. Use small arrangements, not big bouquets. Wildflowers preferred. Single stems ensures. Seasonal flowers only. Artificial flowers reduce authenticity. Mirrors and reflection. Mirrors should have aged or distressed frames. Reflect light softly. Be placed near windows. Avoid modern timeless mirror. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.